Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Here I am doing my first tutorial, so let's be quick. So someone on my Facebook asked me, in this picture, about macam mana nak buat worksheet comel-comel macam tu. So it was Magnor, so I kind of promised that I'm gonna make a tutorial. So now here we go. Okay, the tutorial is titled The Sheets for Worksheets. Number one example, fonts and clip arts. So what we're going to insert in this tutorial is the fonts and type of fonts that I usually use, where to download them, and installation. The free clip arts, and I talk about Bitmoji and how to edit them into black and white. So here goes. Okay. So these are the types of the fonts that I usually use. So you can get them by just googling free fonts, enter, and you can actually get them from 1001 free fonts or the font. For example, I just downloaded you can search over here, or you can just look at the types of other. You can click download. So I downloaded it into my desktop, Mrs. Monster. So these are all the types downloaded. So how are you going to install them? You just click it and you click install, and it's going to be already set up across your Windows Office. So I hope by downloading it, you can actually make this type of module and this one. Okay, so now about the clip arts. You can actually go to the clip arts. To be short, you can go to this site, mycutegraphics.com. So you can actually download this cute graphics that you always wanted from this. It's a free clip art, so you can actually use them to download and use, because you don't need the copyright to download them. Okay, my time is nearly up, so I think we'll continue in another